in the area where we're going to drill the injection.
When you gonna get wet? This mad clowns be catching wreck with a tech just to get a rep. Instead of cool friends, they rather hang with male thugs. Instead of going to school, they rather sell drugs. It's best to go the right route and not the wrong one, because it's gonna catch up with you in the long run. Brothers be on the corners acting stupid, getting lifted. Their life is twisted, and most of them are quite gifted. In other words, they got talent, but they rather sell cracks and bust cats and run the streets acting violent. To them,